Hi, welcome back. This is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen, and today I'm showing you how I'm making my shrimp and grits. So there's a lot of stuff here, and I'm going to go and cook my pound of shrimp. You can use 2 pounds. This is 2 pounds. I might just use 1 pound, but I'm going to make the grits first. We have some chicken stock, heavy whipping cream. Let me put it this way. If you're looking to count your calories, turn the video off right now. Otherwise, I need you to subscribe and turn on those notifications, that notification bell that's next to the subscribe button, and so that you know when I am uploading new videos. But today, I'm gonna show you how I'm making shrimp and grits, Southern style, with my own little twists to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go clean my shrimp, and then I'm gonna start making the grits, and it's gonna all come together and it's gonna be fabulous. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm preheating this pan. 3 cups of chicken stock. Remember, I like to use chicken stock. And I'm gonna bring this up to, ooh, that's already hot. And I switched out my pans. This is a bigger pan. And what I wanted to let you know, giving you a heads up, I took care of the bacon ahead of time. So this is about a cup maybe, but 3 or 4 slices of bacon. And we have a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream in here, and we're gonna add this butter to this. So I'm gonna bring this up to a boil. In the meantime, and then we're gonna put the grits in there, and you gotta start whisking those grits. And these are quick grits. You can use regular grits, but the regular grits take a little longer to make. Do not use instant grits. Quick grits, which is quick 5-minute grits. Here are the sauces that we're gonna put in with the shrimp. You can either use Tabasco, Cristal, wait, hold on, let me turn it. Cristal, and some Worcestershire sauce. Move that over there, get that out of the way. And also, here's the key also. Sounds disgusting, which I always thought it was disgusting, but I'm doing it this time. While I was frying up the bacon, I reserved the fat, and that's what this shrimp has to cook in. So I'm just gonna put a big spoon of that in there. We can also add a little butter to it. And like I said, this is not a dish that is, if you're worrying about your waistline. So once this thickens up, I'm going to put the butter in there, the heavy whipping cream. Okay, I don't see a lot of lumps in here. It's kind of thickened up, so I'm going to put I added about a 1/2 tablespoon, but 3 tablespoons of butter. That's going to start melting in there. Heavy whipping cream. Yeah. Take a look at this. Now it's time to fold in the cheddar cheese, or whisk in the cheddar cheese. So this is done. Oh, can't let that go to waste. Just a little bit more whipping cream in there. All right, I'm gonna melt this. I'm gonna turn off the heat now. Oh, it smells good. See this? Now it's time to do the shrimp. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna put the shrimp in here. Turn this on, preheat this pan. Knowing me, I'm gonna put a little butter in there. So it's gonna be butter with butter and bacon fat. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of butter. Let's put that in there. Bring the shrimp over. we're going to cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I want it no longer pink. I'm gonna take it out. Then I'm gonna put half of these onions in there, the garlic, and I'm gonna make kind of like a roux. I'm gonna put a little bit of cornstarch in here and a little bit more of the chicken stock. I'm gonna make a roux, and then I'm gonna add the rest of some more scallions, green onions in there, and the parsley, and mix it all together, and then we are finished. We're ready for the taste test. So stand by. You can never let anything go to waste in my house. I have a half a yellow onion, and I love onions. Onions are so flavorful. So I'm gonna quickly chop this up, take this apart, chop up some pieces, and we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put in 2 pounds because I know that I have some people in my house that like to have leftovers. Here we go. Let's get them all flat. Gonna put some salt on here. Coarsely ground black pepper. It's smelling good already. Yum. So turn it for about 30 seconds, or by the time I flip everything around, then I'm gonna go back and take out the shrimp. Sometimes you can I'm gonna call this the Slovenian Southern, because I was born in Slovenia. The Slovenian Southern, or the Slovenian shrimp and grits. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call it the Slovenian shrimp and grits. I'm gonna turn down the heat. Get the shrimp out. A little over 3 tablespoons of butter, not 3 sticks. And this is where I'm going to place, remember those onions? I said, oh, I have some onions. Put that in there. Green onions. So let's go. I'm eyeballing this. 2 tablespoons. If we need more, we need more. Get that going. And now I'm gonna throw in this garlic. It's probably about 4 or 5 cloves. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. Add a little bit of the paprika. We're gonna put in, could put in some wine. You know what, I'm gonna do that. Stand by. Kim's coming to the rescue. See how that tastes. Okay. There you go. Needed to get up those bits. All right, add some sprinkle. I'd say about a teaspoon of Hungarian paprika. Use the sweet kind. Sprinkle that on there. We're also going to sprinkle it on to see what it looks like afterwards. Now we're going to add the chicken stock. I'm going to put a little bit of Cristal in there. Again, teaspoon. And you can add it as needed once it's finished. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Again, maybe a teaspoon. There you go. Pour that in there. And we're gonna put the shrimp back in and heat it up. But I think it needs a little bit more liquid. Add a little bit more wine. Bring it up to a boil. And there you go. This smells fabulous. Okay. Forgot the lemon. And these are seedless lemons. Squeeze juice of a whole lemon into here. Oh, beautiful. We're gonna top it off with some bacon. This is hot. Take a look. Actually, I'm gonna bring it over to you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I had some technical audio difficulties, so I am doing the taste test with a voiceover. So here I'm tasting it, and there's the shrimp, and it is very good. And it's not too spicy. And now I'm gonna try the grits, the cheesy grits. And yes, they're very, very good as well. So of course at the end I always say please subscribe, have fun in the kitchen, and hopefully you'll leave some comments. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much, and cheers.